A man with your skill and experience wouldn't be so careless as to toss a weapon with prints a few hundred yards from a murder scene. My guess, Jax Teller took out Pope. From what I hear, he blames Pope for the death of his friend in the catacombs here. But then he pins the murder on you. Why? Maybe you just didn't love him enough as a kid. Outlaws turning on outlaws is nothing new. But an old lady turning on her old man, that's a serious breach of MC protocol. What happened there?
Maybe I just didn't love her enough.
As the proud owner of 3 ex-wives, that unfortunately makes sense.
Let me